Welcome to Hünkâr's Turkish Kitchen. On the menu today is a rich lamb stew with pureed aubergines in a Béchamel sauce. This is a well-known and much-loved traditional Turkish dish from the Ottoman cuisine called Hünkâr Beğendi, or Sultan's Delight. Truly delicious, this dish is well worth giving it a try. Here's what you'll need to recreate this dish. All the details can also be found in the description. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel for weekly posts of more delicious recipes with a Turkish flavour. Let's get started. Prepare the aubergines by pricking them all over and placing them on greaseproof paper ready for baking in the oven, in order for their skins to be removed later. Bake for 30 minutes on gas mark 6 or 200 degrees Celsius on the top shelf. Turn them after 15 minutes. After 30 minutes of baking, remove from the oven and cover with cling film. This will help the skin loosen and it will be easier to peel them later. In the meantime, prepare the lamb stew. Melt 60 grams of butter in a large frying pan. When the butter has melted, add 900 grams of diced lamb. Saute on medium to high heat until the lamb has browned. When browned, add 6 chopped garlic cloves. Continue stirring until the juices begin to absorb. Then add the chopped peppers, 1 capia pepper, 1 bell pepper and 2 chili peppers. Keep stirring on medium to high heat until the peppers soften. Then add 400 grams of tinned or freshly chopped tomatoes. Mix to combine, reducing the heat to simmer for a few minutes, then add 2 tablespoons of pepper or tomato puree. Gently blend in. Next, add the seasoning. I've used 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well on medium heat. Add 300 ml of boiling water. Stir for a few minutes to blend in the water. Cover and allow to cook on medium heat whilst you prepare the sauce. Melt 90 grams of butter in a large pan. When the butter has melted, add 60 grams of flour, which is about half a cup. Mix continuously on medium heat until the flour has been completely blended in. Then gradually pour in 700 ml of milk. Stir continuously using a whisk to remove any lumps. Season with some salt and pepper. When the sauce has thickened to a custard-like consistency, take off the heat and keep covered. Time to strip the aubergines. Peel off all the skin using a knife to help. Once all the skin has been removed, cut off the tops. Then cut each aubergine in half. Sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of salt. Then chop into small pieces, which we will be adding to the sauce. For a smoother finish, you could put the aubergines through the blender. I think it's nice to have some chunks in the sauce. Once the aubergines have been chopped, put them through a sieve and gently squeeze out the excess water. Once the excess water has been removed, add the aubergines to the Béchamel sauce and blend in. Add 150 grams of grated cheddar and fold in. If the sauce seems too thick, add some more milk to reach a creamy consistency. In total, I used 1 litre of milk, adding 300 ml of the 1 litre at this stage. On low heat, keep mixing until you have a thick and creamy consistency. Then the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce into a large serving dish. Top with the lamb stew. Afiyet olsun, enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hünkâr's Turkish Kitchen.